In a world that's forever changing, evolving, one thing remains the same. We will always need agriculture. When the rest of the world shuts down, the agricultural industry steps up, ensuring there's always food on the table. At Dalhousie's Faculty of Agriculture, you'll uncover modern-day solutions to today's global issues. Here, you'll learn new skills and techniques to make a real difference in the health of the planet. Our programs get you learning hands-on from day one. Test your ideas, make industry connections, explore new interests, and graduate with career-ready skills and the confidence to use them. Agriculture is our future. It's that simple. Grow your potential at Dalhousie's Faculty of Agriculture.